what is up YouTube? JEMD Wolf here, and I'd like to welcome your faces back to some more Watch Dogs. So, last episode there was a huge problem with Nikki and Maurice, and I really don't like that guy. So right now, I'm listening to some Kid Cudi, and the radio, of course, on the radio in the car. And yeah, so let's kind of just play the mission, the game. Day and night, rise. Move.
All units, this is squad. cTos scan came up blank. We can't find him.
Whoa. Last. Day and night. It's in a bright lights. I don't know the lyrics really. Good night. Right. So what we're gonna do is just okay. Let's go. What's this?
Into a tough neighborhood. I need to be prepared. Hello.
Shop.
Looking for something? Whatever you want. Odds
Authorities
are
at
I've got
Chicago
it.
Correctional Center are triple checking their security protocols today after a prison break. Facts are sketchy, but we do know that at least one prisoner managed to make it past all security checkpoints. Fortunately, Chicago's finest apprehended the prisoner shortly afterward. John Smith, 34, has been remanded in custody. His lawyer says his client is a victim of mistaken identity.
Okay, good. Wait, so which one do I want? What do I want though? I don't want to sell. My wallet, I can. I'm just spamming, by the way. Okay, I'm just gonna be spamming. Okay, we got. There we go. We got everything.
Excellent buy.
Cool. Okay. So what can I?
Racine's and branding docks, and I got no cTos access there.
Day and night.
District control center first.
Okay, what we need to do. Wait, there we go. Day and night. Whoa. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Okay. Night. It's gonna say right. Night. Night. Oh, night, not last. Hey, night. Say light. Not. Wait, I need to set a waypoint. Hold on 1 second. Where's my objective? Thank you. Night. Say lights. I feels my mind. Night. Whoa. Day and night. Oh, na. Somebody's in a rush. day and night. What I like about this game is the... Wait, oh cool. Oh, I like that. Okay, cool. So what I really do like about this game is no, it's not that what I like. It's just the fact that I'm glad, because when I saw the trailer, like the game hasn't come out yet. At the time that the game hasn't come out yet, when I saw the trailer, I'm like the 14 minutes one, it told me that, oh, so you have to access several well, I'm sorry, sir. You have to access several cTos in each district, like these things that we're doing right now. And what really worried me is the fact that there would be like at least 10, and I'm so glad that there's like not something like that. Oh yeah, and by the way, I did forget to mention that I am sick, so if I sound and if I do weird stuff that I'm really don't do, just please, I'm sorry. I am the worst driver I've ever seen. What? Day and night. Oh wow, kissing skills. Yes, I know. Okay, cool. Whoa, what was that? I don't know if you guys just saw that, but I just... Shoot. Sniper? Cool, but I don't want that. What I would want, something like this. So I think that there's a guy. Talking moose, what? Okay, cool. Wow, I'm doing like full on rigged. Oh fudge. Where was that? Where was that guy? Oh. No, let's just... You know what, I'm just gonna go full out YOLO. How did I not kill him? Okay, there we go. Everything will be fine if you guys just let me go right over here.
I need help here. Got it.
Okay, now let's eliminate.
I see your gun.
Oh my god. You know what's good is the fact that I have high ground. Wait, why are they using pistols? Oh, okay. There's one. Stupid. Okay, where's another one? Stupid one. Oof. I wanna follow. Stupid. This really is stupid. There we go. Okay, hacking skills initiated. So it goes over here. Let's switch it like that. Something up here. Okay. Okay, that was easy. What?
Fuck.
Whoa.
This looks like Bloom surveillance. Are they actually monitoring private homes?
Now everything for me is controlled. Did I get
All right,
rid?
Emmett. Now, Racine. Let's find out what you know about Nikki. Racine. Let's see where that is. Gotcha. Robert Racine.
Just grab any car. I don't want any songs, I'm sorry. Okay, let's just do another waypoint. Isn't it like somewhere up here? Okay. Let's go. Oh wait, no, I'm going the wrong way.
We're speaking with renowned psychologist Dr. Phil Edelman. Doctor, the city has a vigilante in its midst, as you know, but you think this is a good thing.
Well, I hesitate to say good, but I think in a city with rising gang violence and a notorious history, citizens need to feel safe.
And he makes them feel safe?
He gives the illusion of safety. People shouldn't think he's a hero, of course.
What about his mental state? Is he just crazy?
I don't like the word crazy. He has a purpose. He's someone who has lost control or feels out of control. In his mind, he's regaining it. He was probably a victim of a crime, and this is his way of lashing out. But once he's achieved that sense of control again, he'll stop.
He'll stop. Just like that.
Yes, just like that.
Okay, well, YouTube, I don't have to unfortunately end the episode here. I really do hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, become part of the Wolfpack. Hope you guys enjoyed, and